to make sure that the door is closed. Also, the lighting. I'm trying to exercise myself. Because I'm in my room and I feel like I'm in a jar. Like I said in my other video. Now that see, the thing is, I always try to I always try to go straight to the point, but for some reason the point is walking away from me, and I don't make any efforts to chase it because I know that the longer or the more I chase it, the more it's gonna hide somewhere in my brain. Like right now, I forgot initially. I think I remember. The point is friendlier today than the other days. I have to put on a shirt for this video actually. Because I made this right after I washed the coat I got from the thrift shop, which is kind of a pain to wash. I had to change the water multiple times because I'm not sure how long the previous owner, used it without washing it. Kaderder. Maybe by now you already know the kaderder. You've already gained enough context. Anyway, this is supposed to be a response. This is supposed to be a response to what you said. See, you struggle with listening to my videos, and I struggle with making responses. I hope you forgive me for that. And also, I want to say that's the first thing that's not the first thing I was supposed to talk about. You see, I made the list again because I know that without a list, it's just gonna be a splash of without any sort of form. And that's the first thing that I managed to pull out of because why can't I just go? Do you ever envy the people who can just speak in straight sentences? Because before I reach, for example, I make my sentence. This is the point A. This is the point B. It's supposed to go like this. But before I reach the point B, this is how it goes. I start at the point A. Then if I ever, like, this point B is sometimes moving and I'm trying to so I hope I hope that's okay. So yeah, the struggle of maintaining responding. The struggle of responding, because I think this is the third time I watched your video before I actually managed, third or second, something like that. I know for sure that it's not only one time, because this is not the first time I've seen you do the... I was laughing so hard at your intro. Like the and you made a facial expression that reminded me of my host dad there in the Netherlands. And yeah, that that clouded my comprehension, the comedic value of your video. That clouded my comprehension in a way that's amusing to me as well. So yeah, I struggle with responding. Because also another point that you worded perfectly in this particular video. You are trying to say a million things at the same time, and I guess I feel the same, and I guess that's why we understand each other. And see, I'm trying to think of the best way to respond, because having this feels unnatural. Like, this is distracting. If I keep it like this, see, it has some cue words. It's unnatural. It feels like it's gonna pop all the bubbles that I'm trying to explore. And I also thought of watching your video on my laptop and filming myself at the same time. And then I will pause it whenever I feel like responding. But then, I don't know if I can operate in that manner without turning into a YouTuber. You know, those people who are making reaction videos, I think it will become like that. And I don't want it to become like that, because as you can see, I'm trying to find still my own voice after disconnecting myself from the main social media platform that I'm involved in. I'm still struggling to find where am I? How do I really sound like? How do I want to sound like? So that's not a good idea either. And then I thought about it, how when we are normally in conversation face to face, I remember people don't really, in general, people when they have conversation, they don't really respond to every bit of the point that the person made. Am I right? I'm not sure, because I sometimes also forget how to interact in an acceptable way, or like a sort of, just a second. I also forget how to react. Listening is what I do best, but this videos actually requires talking, of course, and we cannot I a lot of response in the moment that I was watching your videos, but sometimes when I start to film, I sort of just go somewhere else. And yes, the point that I was trying to make is that maybe we're doing it the right way. I think so. I mean, is there even a right way? But I do hope I'm doing it in a way that makes you feel heard. I hope I can convey that through this kind of communication. And yeah, again, if I haven't said this already, I want to say this, that please don't apologize for not watching all the sort of, here are my thoughts about the world and how I see things. Please don't be sorry, or if you feel like you are not responding on time. I'm well aware that the things that I speak about, it's not always lighthearted. Like, it's not always something that is just along the lines of, well, what did you have for dinner today? So I fully understand if you don't respond as fast, or you don't listen to them as fast. They are not for like fast consumption. And I actually appreciate that you don't hurry or rush into consuming them. I feel loved because of that. There is someone. Just a second. So yeah, I would like to repeat that again because we got interrupted by the outside noise. I feel more loved and heard. I feel more loved and heard because you're listening to what I have already, no, I mean, because you're listening to me in a pace that you're doing right now. So please don't apologize. Please don't apologize. Just know that I am happy because that's how your approach. I'm happy about my grammar is still has one foot on vacation. I'm happy that well, I think you get what I mean already. I'm still looking for a better way to word it, but I feel like you already get what I mean. So I'll cut this now because I have another response. Yes.